Hey guys, and welcome to Bloomjoy Basket Little Workshop. Today I'm gonna be doing a special birthday gift for our goddaughter. Happy birthday, Adrianka! We wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true. Happy 8th birthday. As this creation is gonna be going for the birthday party too, and I'm so excited to make it work for you. Hopefully she's gonna be happy and excited to receive this gift. Okay, let's not waste any time and build this basket together. As always, we have to start from building the frame. Getting some coffee and energy. Okay, I already put aside some items, color to match. Okay, so the basket, I got it from Temu. It was 3 baskets for like $25 or $26, so approximately like $8 per basket. Looks nice and cute. I also purchased a few different colors. One for the boys is gonna be kind of like gray, but for the girls it's perfect. She's going to the school. Look at that. I got her very nice cute notebook and some stickers. And of course, every girl, she has her makeup stuff. Some cute outfits and accessories. Okay, while our glue gun is getting hot, let's make a base. I'm trying to use reusing materials. Here you go, the cardboard from Amazon. I bet everybody at home has this kind of box to use, right? Perfect. Not every basket build is starting perfect. I was cutting the sticks by myself. My husband is not at home today to help me out, and guess what? Yes, after cutting this thing broke. Okay, here you go. We secured sticks on the side with zip ties. Here you go. And at the bottom with hot glue. Hot glue, all good. Now we have to put one more sticks. Okay, here you go. Our frame is ready. Now we need to put some papers to make a cushion and cover our zip ties. Yes. I think I need to put one more here. Yes. It's kind of not 100% supported. Much better. Okay, time for the rope. Yes, we have to cover all of the zip ties. Just a quick pro tip, so whenever you assembling your frame of the basket, make sure you have one side which looks better, which is gonna be the face of the basket, which gonna have all of the nice setup, right? Because the back of the basket can be nice, but can be not as pretty as the front. Okay, here you go, the frame is ready. Now we have to put some colorful papers inside. Let's do it pretty fast. Here we go, nice and white. And we have some pink, so we can do the accent. Woohoo, so cute. I think this is plenty, right? Looks very cute. Yay! Looks awesome. Okay, our frame is ready. Nice, cute, and pink. We have hangers, decor style, and put it up together to see how it's gonna look. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. We have cute pinkish t-shirts, one long sleeve, not long, like like oversized, one oversized t-shirt, skirt short, kind of like sporty. She's a sporty girl, so that's for her. I think I have a few more t-shirts which we can add. So cute, look at this birthday basket set. What do you think about the price of this creation? I'm curious to hear that. Please let me know in the comments. And if you made it so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Now, last touches, we have to put the plastic, bow, envelope, and it's gonna be all set. Wow, guys, just look at this beautiful creation. Happy birthday, Adrianka, from Bloomjoy Baskets, Chocha Olga and Vujek Sorin. We love you, kisses. Here you go, your birthday gift is on the way. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me on this custom build. I'm so excited for the next one. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's really help us to grow. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.